Welcome to the world of insects. Today we're going to dive into the amazing structure, life cycles, and important roles of these tiny yet powerful creatures. This field guide will be your key to understanding the secrets of insects and will help you navigate through the Bug Biodome escape room. Let's get started. Insect anatomy. First up, let's look at the anatomy of insects. Insects have three main body parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. The head is where we find the insect's eyes and antennae. Antennae are special sensory organs that help insects detect smells, vibrations, and other signals in their environment. The thorax is the middle section where all 6 legs and any wings attach. Remember, insects have 6 legs. If you see something with more, it's not an insect. The abdomen is the largest body part and is responsible for important functions like digestion and reproduction. Knowing these 3 main body parts, the head, thorax, and abdomen, will help you recognize an insect and understand its unique abilities. Life cycles of insects. Now let's talk about how insects grow and change through their life cycles. Insects go through a process called metamorphosis, which can be complete or incomplete. In complete metamorphosis, there are 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. For example, a butterfly begins as an egg, hatches into a caterpillar, the larval stage, then becomes a pupa within a chrysalis, and finally emerges as a butterfly. In incomplete metamorphosis, insects go through just 3 stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Grasshoppers are a great example. They start as eggs, then hatch into nymphs, which look like small versions of the adult. As they grow, they molt, shedding their outer skin until they become adults. So remember, some insects go through 4 stages, while others skip the pupa stage and have just 3 stages in their life cycle. Lastly, let's explore the critical roles insects play in ecosystems. Insects are pollinators, decomposers, and a food source for many animals. Pollinators like bees and butterflies help plants reproduce by carrying pollen from one flower to another. Without pollination, many plants, including those we rely on for food, wouldn't be able to grow. Decomposers like beetles and ants break down dead plants and animals, returning nutrients to the soil. This process keeps our ecosystems healthy and supports new plant growth. Insects are also a key food source for many animals, including birds, reptiles, and amphibians. They form an essential part of the food chain, helping to keep nature in balance. So whether they're pollinating flowers, breaking down dead material, or feeding other animals, insects are incredibly important for the health of our world. And that's your guide to the world of insects. Remember, you will use this information as you navigate through the Bug Biodome escape room. So feel free to watch this video again if you get stuck. Ready to explore the Bug Biodome? Good luck on your adventure. And if you're excited to learn more, visit excavatingadventures.com for tons of interactive science-themed escape rooms and even free dig kits to keep the fun going. Happy exploring?